how to fix TikTok effect problem. If you have any problem with any effect on TikTok, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot, so please keep watching until the end. First thing, open the settings and then go to the wireless ad networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it, and then go back, open the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, so you have to scroll until you find TikTok app and then click on it like this. Click on this for stop here, as you can see, and then go down to the storage, click on clear cache, go back, click on the data usage and make sure that everything is enabled. Go back again, click on the permissions, make sure also that everything is enabled here. Go back to the settings now and disable the airplane mode. And the last step you want to do is update your TikTok in the Play Store or the App Store. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.